Marihona, the ladybird, goes up and down and round, fun for the whole family. Marihona is similar to the MC hop, but it is broader and significantly quicker, with wagons that look like ladybugs. Up and down and round, fun for children and adults alike. It is for all audiences. Access limitations. Minimum height, 120 centimeters. And adult companion required, 495 to 120 centimeters. Also accessible for people with disabilities.
अरे भाई भैया Looks like the sailor is more closer.
Marihøna Ladybird goes up and down and round, fun for the whole family. Minimum height is 120 centimeter and recommendation is also for all audience. And here we go, up and down, round and round. Lovely.